Oh no, I got caught.
Hey,
So as promised, I'm gonna open one Hot Wheels today. So let's see what it is. So I did some research and found out that this belongs to the Hot Wheels Premium Collection and it is based on the game Cyberpunk. This car looks so real, just like the game. It weighs around 48 grams. I don't know what is the average weight of an Hot Wheel. You guys can let me know in the comment section. Follow me so that you do not miss my future unboxing videos. Until then, keep playing just like me.